Chris Owino wacho ni jatend migao mogwele migao masaga Simon Chelugui nolero ne jo Kenya kaka omenda mag Aguchasla dhi tiyo. E kinde mane piedho kijuma kawuono, Chelugui nowacho ni jo Kenya madwaro omenda ni nyaka bed kanyakla e riwruoge matindo kata nyaka gibedie kokalo mbui mar ndikore. Tok mae omedo ni joma ndikore ibiro keti e kidienje mopogore opogore mar kelo yot e chwalo negi omenda no.
So through this fund, Honorable Chair, we are not taking over the existing affirmative funds. We're just making an additional intervention to address the biggest challenge among the hustlers, who are approximately 15 million Kenyans, approximately 50% of our adult population. And these are the people who contribute the highest number of jobs. Some formal, some informal. And studies have shown with this intervention, we would be able to impact at the bottom of our society and begin to grow the wealth at the bottom of our society towards medium and even wealthy country. We will begin by we will establish an hustler fund through the BFM Act, and the ministry will originate the documents, the operations, the guidelines, and share with the relevant House committee and eventually table before this House.